Bereshit, right at the beginning of the Torah, in Bereshit 1:2, it says, when the earth was awesomely empty, with darkness all over the surface of the abyss. So in the commentary, it says the darkness that was initially there, that Hashem created initially, was like a mixture between light and darkness. It was like a one entity. It was like one thing. And yet it was called darkness, choshech. So up until the moment that Hashem separated the light from this darkness, that's the moment when he started calling light light and darkness darkness. So my question is this some hint from the Torah right there from the beginning that it is telling us that 99% of truth is 100% a lie? Because yes, it was dark. It was a mixture. It doesn't say to what percentage,
yes.
But it was both light and darkness, and yet it was called darkness regardless. So yeah, that was
I think it's
question.
a very good analogy. I would think so. Yeah. So because mostly darkness, a little light, but on one hand, on the other hand, it says little light disperses a lot of darkness, and that's why learn in Sefer Chachinuch. So how do you search for chomets? So first of all, it has to be dark, like after the nightfall, right? And you cannot use electricity, not torch, but candle. So this candle, if you ever perform the search, it's actually like, it's unbelievable how much one candle gives light, so you can see everything clearly. So a little, so it works out actually both ways, right? So is it called the dark room with a candle? Yes, it's still called the dark room with a candle, but still this candle brings a lot of light. So, okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.